What's up guys, I am Guri here and today I am so excited because today I have Oppo Reno 4 Pro and today we are doing a drop test Oppo Reno 4 Pro. Can this phone survive drop test? Let's check it. Let's check the durability of Reno 4 Pro. This is latest Oppo Reno 4 Pro. You can see guys, Oppo Reno 4 Pro. The phone is ultimate. First we are doing a drop test from 4 feet and like 4 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet. Let's check it. First we are doing a drop test with cover from 2 feet height. Let's check it. 2 foot height. 2 foot height. Wow guys, you can see from with cover from 2 feet height the phone is breakage, but the display is working. Here guys, you can see the phone is borderless, but from the 2 feet height the phone is broken. Let's we check from now 4 feet height. 4 feet height Oppo Reno 4 Pro. Guys, as you can see from 4 feet the phone has more damage, but the display is working. It has a Gorilla Glass protection. You can see touch is smooth, normal touch is working. Phone work as normally. Now we are doing from 6 feet from my height. Let's check it. From 6 feet. 1, 2, 3. With cover, the phone has safe. Now one more time. Guys, now this time you can see from the damage from the bottom from the phone, but touch is still working. As you can see, phone has a good quality. Now you can check, phone is awesome condition, awesome working condition. But here you can see, the damage of the phone. The phone is technique with borderless. Now guys, one more time we are doing a last drop from 600 feet. Can this phone survive one more drop test in this condition? Let's check it. One more time guys, last time I drop a Reno 4 Pro from 600 feet. Let's check it. Guys, as you can see, the phone is now totally damaged, but the amazing, the touch is still working. You can see the touch still working. Awesome quality. If you buy Reno 4 Pro and you drop a Reno 4 Pro, then you are safe, because in this condition Reno 4 Pro touch is working. Reno 4 Pro touch is working in this total damage condition. Thank you guys. If you like the video, so please subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon.